Hey, what up, Adventure Gaming fans? So today I'm gonna be re-exploring this one place that actually got the most views. Remember where we actually found that cattle bag? I don't know if some of y'all know, but if you're a new subscriber, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos and you actually know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna be exploring more in depth, and also the shoutout Sundays. I'm gonna stop doing that, but I'm gonna also give out shoutouts on my community post. Let's get straight to the video. Make sure to watch to the end of the video. Also check out the video that is in the card upright corner. That will direct you to the most viewed video. Me finding cattle bag. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I will have 6 days of work, so it's going to be hard for me to upload. But I will have 6 days off to upload more videos. I also want to say thank you to all my fans for the support. I wouldn't never made it to 2,000 subscribers without your support. Alright, here we go. Wait until you see the beauty. Has his own little island over there. I like that. There's like a dock over there we're gonna stand on. That's one way to get out. Oh, check this out. Here we are, guys. A beautiful view. The moment I've been waiting for. Yeah, it's completely nasty, but in person it looks pretty dope. I don't know if this used to been like a little bench or a little seat, but it's been sitting out here in like middle of nowhere. I heard a lot of noise. I thought it was someone, but to find out it was those big old birds flying into the trees. Yeah, I was looking at this tree. It's weird how it's designed. Looks like it has an arm. I know when I was out here I kept hearing a lot of noise. To figure out it's just the animals. Oh, it's more like birds. Birds keep flying in the air, hitting against the trees. I'm heading towards home. I'm maybe just gonna sit down and rest, get a little bit of recording, and get a little bit of a relaxing montage. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be walking across here. Alright, seem to be taking it okay. That was fun. Yeah, I came over here a few days ago. There's cow bones. Well, possibly cow bones. As you can see, there's a cow over there. But this is where me and Edge found bones at, and it's good to share in my video. Alright. Let's start heading home. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you like the video. And also share it with your family and friends so we can also help reach our goals. We gotta make it to 5K by the end of this year.